Hi boys, I'm just going to talk to you about this free place value game. It's on this website here, Math Salamanders. I'll put it into your Google Docs, Google Classroom. So we're going to click on this one here. Let's just call it for, you put your name, but I'm going to just say Tamatoa. So you put your name in there. Now for super clever people, Aidan and others, you might want to go up to 1,000, but for other people maybe just go up to 100, I don't know. Let's try that one. And we're just going to go start. So we've put a name, we've set how hard we want it to be. We're going to go start. Okay, so the number is 41, but only one of those numbers has a line underneath. So there's the 1, it's in the ones column. Remember that 1 is the ones, 4 is in the tens. So how do we write that? 1, that's how we do it. Go enter. 12, and the line that's underneath is the 2, that's in the ones column, so that 2 just means 2, doesn't it? If by mistake, I'll just delete that, if by mistake we went 3 and we thought, oh no, that's not right, that DEL of course is short for delete, so we'll delete that. So 2 is what we want, ent, short for enter, click. Once again it's just the ones column, 5 ones. Now we're on to 50, the line is under the tens column. So we can't just put 5 because that would be 5 ones, we've got to go 5 0. 71, so we see the line is under the tens column, so how do we write 7 tens? 7 0. 68, the line is in the tens column, 60. How do we write 60? 6 tens, 6 0. And enter. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. Have fun, have a play around, see how hard you can make it go, and good luck.